tayong game na.
Game natin, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3.
Tatay Ising, bakit Tatay Ising? Bakit Tatay Ising? Yan.
Okay, wala matanggal. Sakto ilan kayo? 15. Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into
6.
5.
Sakto na naman yan. Ito sila.
Sakto pala siya, sorry. Okay, ulit. Mali pala ako. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 6.
Diyan masakit.
Okay. The boat
Ayan, pwede ka na mag-5 dyan.
group yourselves into 5. Sobra! Wala sila! Sino tanggal? Hindi! Meron! Okay.
Ayan, 3.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3. Tanggal na si Isay!
Wala pa kang boring talaga na laro ito. Ano lang masasabi ko?
Kasi yung boring na naman. Okay.
Ayan, 4.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4.
Umentra po ang sasakyan, makikitaan daw siya. Yung microphone, saan hindi masasagasaan ang sasakyan. Meron, isa!
Sino? Easy.
O, 8 na lang kayo dyan.
8 na.
3 ulit,
So, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3.
Ang Tres Marias, o hindi mabasag-basag.
Okay.
Group yourselves into 2 yan.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. Ay, 6 lang.
Tama yan, tama yan. Tama yan, tama